Hello, my friends. It is time for our next online live event. If you missed out on the first one, you definitely need to get on this one. If you went to the first one, you're gonna love this one even more. We are going to have an exclusive stamp and die set. It's called Under the Sea, and it is fantastic. 14 dies are included in this set. Now, just a heads up, this stamp and die set are exclusive to the class. Buy the class, you get the stamps and dies. Don't buy the class, you cannot buy the stamps and dies. Also, buy the class and you can watch it over and over and over again as often as you like. You can watch it live and recorded. Now, when you watch live, you're going to be able to ask questions via chat, and we're going to have so much fun. We're going to learn a lot of new techniques, and we're also calling it Craft Your Stash, meaning you're going to use a lot of products you already have. So you're not going to need to buy a whole bunch of stuff. Chances are you're going to have something that's going to work for this class, and we're going to have so much fun. So pull up your Diet Coke or coffee if you drink coffee, and put your PJs on. We're going to have a blast. It's July 17th at 4 p.m. Pacific time. If you cannot make it at that time, it's okay. We're going to record it so you can watch it over and over and over again. We're going to have raffles. We're going to have prizes. We're going to have giveaways. We'll probably even have a couple sneak peeks, which are really fun. I will see you there July 17th. Sign up now because space is limited. Bye-bye.